Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 power x plus 5 power x equals 100. Solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So now if you have 5 power x plus 5 power x, this is just like writing 2 times 5 power x, because the coefficient here is 1 and the coefficient here is 1. So when once you add the 2, you have 2 5 power x, or you can also decide to factor it out. Now I take 5 power x. 5 power x divided 5 power x, I have 1. Plus 5 power x divided 5 power x again, I have 1. This equals 100. So from here you have 5 power x equals 1 plus 1. That is 2 equals 100. This still gives you 5 power x times 2, or 2 times 5 power x. So I can divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. This eliminate this. I have 5 power x equals 100 divided by 2 is 50. So right now I can apply log of log 5 power x equals log 50. And if you have log a power p equals p times log a, applying that here, of x times log 5 equals log 50. So from here I have x times log 5 equals log 50 is log 5 times 10. So from here, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So x times log 5 equals log 5 plus log 10. So from here, I can have x times log 5 equals log 5 plus this is log 10 is simply 5 times 2. X times log 5 equals log 5 plus, we apply the same identity again. You have log 5 plus log 2. So from here, log 5 plus log 5, that is 2 log 5. Of x times log 5 equals 2 times log 5 plus log 2. So we divide this by log 5. We divide this by log 5. Right now, 5 cancel log 5. X equals 2 log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So from here, x equals 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. This cancels this. So I have x equals 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. And if you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. So from here you have x equals 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5. Now that is our solution. Let's go ahead and verify quickly. We have x equals 2 plus log 2 to the base of 5. And we have 5 power x plus 5 power x equals 100. And from here, like I said, you can add this to this. That is 2 times 5 power x equals 100. We divide this by 2. We divide this by 2. This cancels this. 100 divides 2, that is 50. That means 5 power x equals 50. You substitute this 2 plus log 2 to base 5 for x here. 5 power 2 plus log 2 to base 5 equals 50. Now, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y, this is 5 power 2 times 5 power log 2 to base 5 equals 50. And from here, 5 power 2, this is 25 times for this. If you have a power log b to base a, this equals b. So this is 2, we have 2 here, equals 50. And from here, 25 times 2, 50 equals 50. So very easy. Thank you and goodbye.